Imagine hijacking thousands of views from YouTube and Vimeo, redirecting them straight to your offers without ever paying for ads. Sound impossible? Think again. Introducing Dynova AI, the first ever AI app that gives you the power to place ads on any YouTube or Vimeo video for free. Yes, you heard that right. No ad spend, no budget, just pure, targeted traffic on autopilot. Picture this. While others struggle with costly ad campaigns and laborious video production, you're reaping the rewards, making thousands daily with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Dynova AI uses a revolutionary method to tap into publicly available content, placing your offers, links, or pages right where viewers are already engaged. And the best part? There's zero cost involved. No need to create videos. No ad campaigns to manage. No more fighting for expensive ad placements. Just pick a video, place your ad, and redirect the traffic. Whether you're promoting affiliate offers, e-commerce stores, local services, or even your personal brand, this is the easiest way to get clicks without the cost. With one click, add any call to action to any video you want. Think about it. Millions of people watch YouTube and Vimeo every day. You're now in a position to redirect that traffic to your offers for free. No algorithms. No bidding wars. No BS. Just free clicks. Thousands of them flowing straight into your offers. What does this mean for you? It means massive savings on ad spend, unlimited potential to scale your business, traffic on demand whenever you need it. The competition doesn't know about this yet, but they will soon. But here's the kicker. This loophole won't last forever. Once people catch on, the floodgates will close. So don't sit around waiting for another opportunity. This is it. Grab it with both hands. Why spend thousands on ads when you can get all the traffic you need for free? Trust me, this is one of those rare moments where the right tool at the right time can change your life. Take action today. Your bank account will thank you later. Click the link below to get Dynova AI Now.